Engineering companies always rely on CVs, interviews, and assumptions to evaluate engineers, but these methods do not always show whether an engineer is truly ready for real project work. This creates a problem for hiring, training, promotion, and project execution. 8Brave helps solve this problem by assessing engineering competencies and converting the results into practical diagnostic insights. It is designed for engineers in industries such as oil and gas, energy, and industrial projects where technical decisions directly affect safety, quality, and cost. Let me show you how it works. An engineer starts from the platform and selects the relevant assessment. For this demo, I will use the Instrumentation and Control Engineering assessment. The role is not only to test theory, but to understand real competency, practical judgment, and role readiness. The assessment is structured around the real engineering competency areas. For instrumentation and control, this may include field instrumentation, control systems, safety systems, project documentation, commissioning, troubleshooting, and basic electrical and networking knowledge. The questions can include technical fundamentals, scenario-based decisions, and practical project situations. This allows 8Brave to understand not only what the engineer knows, but also how they think. After completing assessment, the platform doesn't simply show a basic percentage score. This is where 8Brave becomes more than a testing tool. Assessment results is converted into a structural competency report. Here's an example of 8Brave engineering competency report. At the top, the engineer can see an overall readiness score, but the real value is deeper than that. The report breaks down performance by competency area, showing where engineer is strong and where there are critical gaps. For example, one engineer may be strong in field instrumentation and commissioning, but weaker in safety systems, fire and gas, or project documentation. The report also highlights warning areas, role fit recommendations, and a personalized development roadmap. This helps the engineer understand what to improve next and helps the company make better decisions about training, hiring, and workforce development. 8Brave is building an AI-powered competency ecosystem for engineers. We help individuals understand where they stand, and we help companies turn assessment data into practical workforce intelligence. 8Brave turns engineering assessment into competency intelligence.